Wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. Words very powerful. A king protect his kingdom, and a queen protect her king. And me not bring no harm to my husband. I say all who feel like someone can justify my situation for me. A whole heap of woman, I think 98% of the woman living a domestic abuse, and because of shame, on the tongue tie and twist. I am the speaker for a lot of woman. Girl power. A whole heap of every burden I carry. A whole heap of time I see some of this blood clot, this discriminate me and this judge me. And I look on the this part. But I don't see the great part. Well, me stand up for my greatness. Because I believe in it. You see, all on the blood clot right back what they do and do it. When I can't go take blood clotting, because I make sure I mess up every blood clotting. I mess up for mess up. Fuck.